What a healthy, gorgeous dinner.
Hello friends, it's Alyssa. It's 7 p.m. and I haven't gotten dressed or brushed my hair today. But that's okay, cause it's
Creative Quarantine Cuisine with Alyssa.
normally at this hour, I'm like ready to wrap up for the day and binge watch old seasons of The Bachelor. But tonight, I was inspired because I was typing up some recipes for Meal Prep Chef Virtual. At Meal Prep Chef Virtual, you can send us a list of what you have in stock in your kitchen and we'll send you back customized recipes on how you can best use those ingredients. So I was working on this recipe today for a client and I thought, A, this sounds delicious, and B, I have almost all these ingredients and I want to make it myself. So today we're gonna make some Mediterranean-inspired Za'atar turkey meatballs with a lemon herb yogurt dipping sauce and some green veggies. Are you ready? First things first. Most meatballs use onion. I'm gonna use a diced white onion. This is half an onion diced finely. In the custom recipe I just made for someone, I used grated zucchini, which makes the meatball super moist and tender. I don't have a zucchini, but I've got a carrot. So I'm gonna grate this carrot and add it to the meatball mixture because why not? I grated the carrot with a handheld grater, but you can also use a food processor. I cook the onion and grated carrot on the stove to help soften the vegetables so that it blends seamlessly into the meatball. I don't want any crunchy vegetables in my meatballs. Meanwhile, I'm going to prep this broccoli to roast it in the oven, and I've got a pot of boiling water going to blanch some green beans. Ready to mix up this meatball. I'm ready to mix it up. I'm ready to mix it up. Starting with the carrot and onion mixture that's been nicely cooked. Then adding our star ingredient, this Zesty Z Za'atar. Ooh. This stuff is packed with flavor. It's only 6 ingredients. Olive oil, sumac, thyme, oregano, sesame, and salt. Good for all diets and it's shelf stable, folks. A teaspoon of cumin, lots of fresh herbs, lemon zest, salt and pepper, and bind it all together with almond flour and egg. If you want to be a pro, you should sear these meatballs in a hot pan to get a brown color on each side, then finish them in the oven. But I'm lazy and I'm hungry and I want to eat these as soon as possible. So my quarantine shortcut is stick them on a sheet tray, put them in the oven till they're done. Beans have been blanched. The broccoli has been roasted. The meatballs are in the oven. There's only one thing left to do. Time to make some yogurt sauce. I'm a sucker for anything made with yogurt. I love the flavor. I'm just working with what I've got, which is yogurt, parsley, some more of the Za'atar seasoning, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt and pepper. But you can use any herb, dill, mint, cilantro, anything. You could even use dried herbs instead. You could mix in avocado if you had it, or lime instead of lemon. This is not a set recipe. Use what you got.
Wow, what a healthy, gorgeous dinner. Wow, this is so damn good.
Greg,
Get low, get low, get low.
you're the taste tester of this show. But I want to taste it at the same time. Hold on, I want to taste it too.
Such a nice, like, savory, a little bit, like, a little sweet almost, but just from the carrot, I think.
Yeah, I like it. Delish.
The meatball is so moist and that Za'atar seasoning is just popping. It's so good. Oh, you like it. You can't even walk away from it. That's a large bite. You just can't stay away. I've got a hungry man to feed. I gotta go. Done. I'm hungry. Let's eat dinner.